Ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, just another update. The bike is stripped. Just started stripping the paint and repairing broken bits of plastic. There's been a few cracks in here, not too many. It's not in a extremely hard basket, but it's definitely a few bits and pieces that need to be repaired plastic wise. A few tabs missing here and there, but that's pretty easy to do because of this stuff. Now, what this stuff is ABS plastic and acetone. So you mix the ABS and the acetone together, and that gets you a putty, and that putty will dissolve into the ABS plastic of the bodywork, making a permanent solid fix. Now let's look at this bit. This bit here, there was a crack coming all the way up here to here, all around here. It was completely shattered. This was shattered. Crack ran all the way around here, and then across the back here, which meant this whole piece was separated. Now this bit here is completely ABS plastic bulk, homemade bulk. So it's done a really good job so far. Reshaping this is going to be a bit difficult because there's a bit of a shape there, a bit of a line, concave, whatever you want to call it, but it'll get there. So yeah, I'm pushing on. At the moment, just scraping off backyard paint job paint from a paint job that might have been done quite some time ago, but needs to come off. So at the moment, it's just a slow and steady scrape. When I find my chisel, where's it? I've got my chisel. There he is. So yeah. Just slow and steady. As you can see, this paint's coming off fairly easy, so it's not really the kind of bed I'd want to be using to put more paint on, so I'm going to take it all off. The red, I'm not so sure about. I might just fair it all in and spray it, see what happens. But it seems to be coming off easy enough. All you need is a nice sharp chisel and patience. Bit by bit. Anyway, I suppose you don't want to watch too much of this. Yeah, it's getting there. There's a big crack in this over this side. If the camera's picking it up, runs down here. That was easily repaired with the acetone ABS mix. this bit here I'll have to remanufacture the missing bit and glue that in. But overall, there's enough of this thing here to work with, and I should be able to get it back close to new if I work hard enough. Well, that's all from me. See you guys.